couple drivers called out, but the guys are doing in Cranford still, and I'm doing it from Sterling and Ronald. Ronald called out. They haven't been that much, obviously. Let me just get this container dumped. But it was like 10 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago. I mean, now it's going to be busy. So you're in Long Hill with the tablet? Oh, wait, where are you at? Oh, no, I know you are. Oh, my bad. I thought for some reason, I don't know why I thought you said. No, I know. I know that, but I don't know why, because I know Long Hill was out. I know why. Because Long Hill was out, and for some reason I thought you were free. Yeah. Okay. Alright, well, yeah, it's raining out, so, but just driving nice and slow. Alright. So, these fast food places are always full after holidays. Way. Could have got out earlier, and this is a call out, so this wasn't the most ideal situation. It. I was just making sure, see how everyone's doing. Yeah, no problem. This is going okay. I was just taking it nice and easy on the truck. Nice and easy. I'm getting some good video. It's all, you know. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Alright, I'd like to scoop it up just like that. Oh yeah, baby. That's why you always wear boots. When you're in the woods or when you're working on a garbage truck, I always suggest boots. Okay. All right, there's the wood. Whew.